Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to change screen timeout on Mac. So let us get started. First, click on the Apple logo located at the top left corner of your Mac screen. Then, select System Preference or System Settings. From the drop-down menu, in the System Settings window, scroll and click on Lock Screen. Under the Lock Screen section, you can decide how many minutes, hours, or never you are going to start screensaver when inactive, or you also have to turn the display off on battery when inactive, and or turn the display off on power when inactive. And it also has an option where it requires a password after the screensaver begins. All you have to do is just click these arrows, and then you can set the desired length of time you want your Mac screen to stay before it switches off due to inactivity. By adjusting this setting, you can customize your Mac screen timeout to better suit your preferences and work habits. Whether you need a longer screen on time for specific tasks or prefer to conserve energy by shortening it, this simple adjustment offers greater control over your Mac's display behavior. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.